Get a feel for the 2022 Nissan Leaf. This eco-minded Leaf is packed with features that let you enjoy efficiency, connectivity, comfort, and security. From its smooth all-electric power to its smart software to its comfy seats and driver assist safety tech, this sleek four-door hatchback is poised to make every drive a delight. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, premium sound system. All-electric efficiency and modern style intersect with affordability in this future-focused Leaf. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.